To get go to top button on the Samsung Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable show go to top button option. To do so, open Samsung Internet app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap setting, tap web page view and scrolling, and then tap the gray on offset next to show go to top button until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Now scroll down the currently open web page. As you are scrolling the web page, you will be provided with the go to top button at the bottom of the web page. You can tap this button to quickly go back to the top of the web page. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.